Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jeffroditis, and today I'm going to be seeing how long it takes to solve all three of my Rubik's Cubes, and like doing individual solves on them, but seeing how long it takes to solve them all three like in a session. So that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm just trying to kind of keep that one video a week policy or a deal kind of thing. But anyways, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna be solving my Cyclone Boys speed cube, and then second off I'll be solving my Yulong speed cube, and then finally I'll be solving my Mofang Jiao Shi, I believe, speed cube, which is my best cube so far. You know, I did a review on it. You can check that out if you want. But either way, I'm just going to be timing it with my stopwatch here, and I'll just press start, and I'll tell you guys what the time is right as I finish all three. So let's go ahead and get into the first cube. So I'll show these two cubes set back here, and I'm going to do the examine time first, and then ready, set, go.
You took my love and gave it back. It's yours to leave, but it won't keep me from this heart attack. And I'll try to carry on again, but I never really knew that it was over.
Okay, I got 4:43 seconds. Guys, I'm sorry that was so bad, but I haven't done a solve in a while, so I was kind of forgetting some of the algorithms. I'm sorry for that, guys, if you were expecting more. That was also very tiring, and I really just want to make a video because the place I'm in right now, it's very hot. So it's a good thing I have my trusty old Sonic with me. Not sponsored. But anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.